Hey guys, so I'm here walking to go look at taxi right now, and I just felt like I needed to come and talk to you guys for a little bit. I know this isn't a whole vlog, but a lot of persons been asking me for videos, say, like I'm sitting down every day and I'm waiting for you to post and you're not posting and stuff like that. But I did explain to you guys that I was having some phone problems that solved now, and I did say to you guys also that I'm waiting on some stuff to make sure that I bring better quality content to you guys. But I know say right now everybody probably not 100% feeling themselves or don't feel like pulling through today, but just remember that you're strong and remember that God have your back, because if God never have your back, then you wouldn't be here today. Like a lot of persons or souls, God forbid, wishes to be here today, but they're not, because what, they're gone, they're dead. And yes, they're our loved ones, and yes, we miss them, and yes, we're sorry that they're not here. But if it wasn't God's will, then they could not have passed off. Guys, I want you guys to always keep this song in your heart every single time when you wake up in the morning. Always remember to think about the good stuff, think about the good stuff that God has done for you. Life is negative. You have a lot of negativity surrounding everybody. Like, is a whole bag of negativity that is gonna burst upon you guys every day, that is gonna come your way every day, you understand? So we have to strong, we can overcome and pull through them type of something where people throw at us sometimes. Listen, I hear stories about myself sometimes that it makes me feel like, oh my God, did I actually do that? When I know with from the bottom of my belly to the head of my crown and my head, me know me never do them things there. But the way how the people them tell the story, them compelling, you have to almost believe that it is true, even when they're talking about you and Jesus knows and all that stuff. Guys, what more do you want him to do to prove that he loves you? What more do you want him to do? What more do you want God to do, guys? Sometimes we have to look on that. We have some people in our life and them do, and all we do is suck. And we never stop to think, what more can this person give me for me to know? You don't realize that this person actually cares about me. This person actually loves me, guys. Sometimes as big people, sometimes as young adults, sometimes as older folks, we have to learn how to be appreciative. You see, because you live your life and you go and you tell yourself, I don't want that for nobody, I don't want nobody this, I don't want nobody that. Sometimes we are not appreciative and we need to stop it. We need to stop it. Anyways, guys, as I told y'all, I am running. I'm going on the road. I need to go run some errands and come back home and stuff. So this video is not gonna be long. As I said before, I'm just giving you guys a word of encouragement. I'm giving you guys motivation. Me I tell una say, you can pull through. Sis, I don't know what you're going through right now, but get up. Get up. Whatever it is that is stressing you out, get up and face it. Because guess what? If you hide from it today, you're gonna face it tomorrow. If you hide from it tomorrow, you're gonna face it the other day. Face your problem head on. I say, look here, me better than you. I'm not ask Jesus, me better than you. Sometimes we have to talk to a problem. You have to say, me someone, let me tell you this. You feel like through me a little bit. Me afraid of you, me not afraid of your problem. Me go take your hand and me go show you say me a winner. I was a born winner and I'ma prove that to you. Guys, nothing is wrong with getting up, dressing up and feeling good. Sometimes that is all we need to do too. Sometimes that's all we need to do. Sometimes all we need to do is get up and face our problems head on. You can stop that 1 minute, please. Stop the music. Yeah, guys, so I'm going in a taxi right now. I had to ask the driver to stop the music because you don't know how copyright claims going, all them stuff there already. Boy, you could have locked it I don't like you, carry on. Yeah, guys, so as I was saying, I'm on my way out, so I am gonna end. You want to tell them how morning? Come, say hi. So, my driver friend, yeah, people. It's I want to see taxi. I want to can take him. Yeah, my little virgin this year. Yeah. So yeah, people. As I say, I'm on the way to go on the road. I'm about to go do some errands. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, remember to follow my other page, which is The Official Family. Oh, also on TikTok. It's The Official Family on TikTok too. I'm gonna be doing videos with my daughters on that page mostly, so you guys can check it out. I don't know what the Ariana is a whole firecracker, don't it? Ariana coming like Papa Rockets. I'm gonna ask guys. So, we know I'm gonna enjoy the page. I love you guys so very much. Bye, babies.
Yeah, I know me not fuck around saying what did the Rasta youth and them sell man like can get on number and link me? But may I tell you, say me not get him, me I call him and me not get him. D.
Oi.
Everything I go on instead, cause you just got pranked. Fuckery. Me and call you my girl and answer your phone.
Come here, please. No, wait, one tampon upon the... Stop now! One tampon, me say, one tampon the way TV, they bring it, come give me, please. One yellow one. Awa. Eh? Awa. You don't see blood on your hand?